G'day guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be building the Quidditch match from the new Harry Potter sets. Just straight off the bat looking at it, looks like a pretty cool set. You got each house represented there. Looks like you got a bit of cool functionality there with the Quidditch posts and that. You know, a bit of everything. Sort of similar to the last Quidditch set they released. You know, you got your chest with your different balls in it, like Quaffle and Snitch and all that. Yeah, a couple of stands, towers for the houses. Your trophy in that. One set of hoops. It'd be cool if they included two sets. I think that'd be nice. That way you got sort of like a complete set. But yeah, I'll have a look at the characters here. So sort of what you would expect. It looks like they've based it off the scene from... I can't remember which movie. I think the second. I'm not sure. But yeah, you can see Severus Snape, Lucian Bowl. I guess I don't know. I can't really remember him too well. Marcus Flint, Oliver Wood, Harry, and Hermione. So good amount of characters there. So that's pretty cool. Let's crack into it. There you go. If we look at the back there, you can see yeah, all the different bits of functionality. So show the flame in that when Hermione set Snape on fire. What we got here, I guess that's for scoring. So scoreboard, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, wobble the keeper back and forth and shoot the bludgers. Hide under the sand, so fly through the sand. Yeah, so that's pretty cool there. Alright, so it looks like first set we got Gryffindor and Slytherin. So two characters that come with that are Hermione and Snape. Should have the two-sided, I'm guessing, yep. It's pretty cool. So we got little Hermione. And then we'll go Professor Snape. Also two-sided, although you just got grumpy and angry. Alright, we'll grab the wands. Yep. There's Hermione's wand. I said this in my last video, but I like these wands. I reckon that's really cool how they've done that instead of just your standard stick. So there you go, two characters. Look good. Alright, so let's get into the first tower. First off, we got the Gryffindor one. So these ones look a bit bigger than the tower in the last set, I think. Which is cool. I like how they've made this, because I think that last Quidditch set was quite popular. Its price now is ridiculous if you want to buy it, especially brand new. I think it's almost couple of $100. Could be a bit wrong, but yeah. Going up pretty high. Anyway, we'll get a move on with this. Alright guys, there you go, there's the first one. That's a Gryffindor tower. Nice little flap there. That'll be so... Yeah, we'll pretend Snape's on a broom. He can fly through. Just like that. Very cool. Not sure what, if you saw there where they used a connector between the two bricks. I've got a feeling that's just for, like, to strengthen it up a bit. But no, I like that. Very cool, simple, but looks good. Bit of functionality there. I like this see-through, like the flag. That's a nice little feature. Yeah, they've done a Done a nice job there. Alright, next up we got the Slytherin Tower. There we go, guys. Got the first part of the set all built. Gryffindor and Slytherin Tower, looking pretty good. Yeah, really liking these designs. How they're doing it. Plenty of stickers, plenty of detail. Even just small things like the plant down there. You know, it's really cool. Have a look at the functionality there. So it's pretty cool. Chuck Hermione up in there. Fits in there pretty good. Chuck old Snape up in there. There we go. And boom, he's on fire. Laughing. Alright, so in this one we got Lucian Bowl. Pretty sure I'm butchering that though. Can't really remember him, to be honest. Yeah, I'd pulling a bit of a mind blank. Oh, we got nice fabric capes as well. I like this. I like this style. Yeah. Rather than sort of like the harder, almost papery ones. So he's got two-sided face as well. Chucky's fancy hairdo on there. He's got a beater. His beaten stick. And his broom, of course. Pretty cool little print on his shirt there. I like that. Nice, plenty of detail there. Really good. Even his facial features, like, it's all really well done, I reckon. So now we got Harry. Same thing with his shirt, like plenty of detail there. Yeah, really well done. So he got his couple of faces as well. Go his cape on. Harry's messy hair. And the golden snitch. I like how in this one they've actually done the snitch. You know, they've made a custom model of it. They haven't just used a stud, a golden stud or something. That's really cool. That's a nice little feature. Really like that. Alright, move on to Ravenclaw Tower. That's a Ravenclaw. So that's a Ravenclaw tower complete. I've got a little megaphone there. Pretty cool. Nice decals in that. I like all this. I like the flag. I reckon that looks really cool. Nice little touch again with the plant. Yeah, move on to Hufflepuff. Alright guys, there we go. Those are 4 towers. Got Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff. They're all pretty cool, all got their own sort of like cool little features. Got obviously the open flag on the Gryffindor one. Slytherin's got the flame that pops up. We got the megaphone on the Ravenclaw one. And then I really like the Hufflepuff one. So you got the scoreboard and also the which team is playing, which house is playing which is pretty cool. Nice like little interactive feature there, and you can store the other house plates at in the back of it. So that's really cool. Move on to the goals next. Alright, so who we got? Marcus Flint and Oliver Wood. Here's Marcus for you. Oh, he's only got the one-sided head on this one. One face. That's different. I would have thought he'd still have the two, but I guess he's only got one facial expression, eh? Stick that lump of hair on him. This is interesting. So you've got the... there's Marcus for you. Now we'll make the... Assuming this is to hold the quaffle. That goes in there. That one onto that. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, shoot that off. That's really awesome. Cool. So this Quidditch set's got a ton of functionality to it. That's really cool. You can actually sort of, you'd be able to play a game if you want, I guess. Yeah, that's really cool. I like that. Right there, and then we got the backup quaffle. Go old Ollie Wood. There we go. Alright, so there's those two for you. Couple little things first. So you got the trophy hold up. Lovely stuff. Got a chest which would just hold like all the equipment and everything, although there's nothing to go in it. Alright, now onto the actual rings. Alright guys, so there we go. There's the set complete. Very cool set. I really like this. Really well put together. I like all of this here, this whole thing. We can see we got some pretty cool functionality going on, so showing you all this already. Scoreboard and that, towers. The shooters are really cool, so I love what's going on here with the shooters. So you can just like pop that out. That's really cool. Yeah, nice element they've brought in there. Similar with, you can see down here, they've got the shoot that out as well. So I don't even know if the camera picked that up, but that went flying. Snuck in my hand. So they're quite powerful, quite cool. See here, move the keeper around. That's a really cool thing. So you could have shots. You could, use this bloke, see if we can try and get that in. No, it's really cool. I like how the towers tie in as well. Yeah, so I bought this for about 50 bucks, I think. I think I got a little bit cheaper, maybe like 40, 45 or something like that, but on the Lego side, 50 bucks, so I think it's worth it for that. That's in Australian dollars as well. I really like the rings here, how they're actually full rings that they've moulded themselves instead of when they used to have the sort of the bendy part that you had to bend around into a ring. That never really sort of, you know, never really got a good circle out of that, so that's really cool. But no, just as a whole, I like the whole design of it. I think it's really well done. Lots of functionality in that, so yeah, it's really cool. Anyway guys, I'll catch you in the next video. See you.